Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching how to make Banga Extract, palm fruit extract, guys. We can use it to make akwu, you can use it for your soups, you can use it for your stew, you can use it for anything you want. Let's go right into the game. In making this Banga extract, you only need one ingredient, which is Banga or palm fruit. We call it palm fruit, but in Nigeria we mostly call it Banga or akwu in Igbo language. So after getting it, make sure you get fresh one. You can see it's fresh. Wash it at least 2 to 3 times so that to be sure that it's neat. Then you pour it into the pot. Pour water. You can see where the water is. Make sure that the water covers all the Banga fruit inside the pot. All the palm fruit must be fully covered with water. Now this is me after I've boiled it for about 45 minutes. You can see, look at it. It has marks all over. It's already breaking, which is a sign that it's soft and done. You can see the water level now. You can see it, right? See another thing again, if I pinch the Banga fruit, it's because it's very soft, it's easy, and my fingertips keeps mark on it. It's even breaking. Can you see? That's a sign to know that it's very soft and ready to pound. If it's not soft like this, it will give you tough time when pounding. It will take you time, a lot of time to pound. That's not nice. Can you see? Very soft and succulent. Pour it in your mortar and pound. If you don't have mortar and this food processor, you can also use food processor. Maybe next time I will show you how you can use food processor to break or mash this Banga fruit, that is palm kernel fruit. For today's video we are using mortar and pestle. So let's go there. Pound till it's very soft. Can you see the way it's looking? The seed, that is the palm kernel, has been separated from the palm fruit. As you can see, the palm kernel is different, the palm fruit is different. Can you see the palm kernel? Yes. If it's like that, then you know that you've really done a good job. Can you see? Well done. So now we go move over to extracting the Banga juice. That Banga extract that you pay money to buy, that you go and buy. This is how to make it, my people. So you pour water and extract all the juice. Use your hand. Me personally, I prefer using one hand so that I don't get to mess dirty the things around me with oil, because you need to still use one hand to scoop water into the bowl. So I prefer using one hand and the other hand to do other things. So I use my right hand to squeeze and squeeze and squeeze till all the juice is out. I take a little portion and squeeze so as to ensure that all the juice is out. If I confirm, I now go ahead and strain my Banga extract out. Guys, there is one thing I want to tell you. Just watch very well and see the way I'm doing it. I'm just trying to, as much as possible, to bring out all the juice present. That's why I'm squeezing it little portion out, little portion, just to make sure that all the juice, I get all the juice out of the chaff. You understand? That's the trick. Make sure you get all the juice as much as you can. I know you cannot possibly get all out, but at least try and get most of the juice out. So any trick you feel is better than this, you can as well use, but this is my best method and it's been serving me since 19. So after this first one, I go ahead to pour a little water to use and still rinse this chaff that you can see. You see, I just poured a little water and I'm rinsing it small portion by small portion and putting it inside the 904. It's well waste to me, but some people still make use of the palm kernel to do different other things, so you can as well save it for other purposes. Then the chaff, if it's people that make use of firewood, they can still use that chaff to ignite their fire. Can you see that small water? Can you see the color to tell you that there is still juice remaining inside that chaff? There is still enough juice. So I just tried to use more water so that I don't have to pour too much water and make the Banga extract too watery. If it's too watery, to take you a longer period of time to cook. So it's safer to have your extract a little bit thick, not too thick. So this is the extract. You can see. You can see. Place it on the fire to boil. Started boiling. You can see the foam. It's normal. After boiling it for about 30 minutes, this is the outcome. Woo! We've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Please leave a comment Or if anything you want me to try out, bye.